So,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning,
Yeah,
ma'am.
well, not
Good
sleeping.
morning. So, you all are sleeping or in like you are ready for the class?
Ma'am, we are ready for the class.
Very good. And I know in Odisha also it is foggy weather. I think in your places, what it is. I hope it is cold only, now, isn't it?
Yeah, ma'am.
In Odisha, in Bhubaneswar also the weather is not clear. Everywhere fog. Okay, so last class we are discussing application of Nernst equation, and by using Nernst equation, we are able to determine the cell potential and electrode potential, equilibrium constant, and concentration like EMF of the concentration cells. Okay, so today we'll discuss, and yesterday also we have discussed the determination of pH of an unknown aqua solution by using Nernst equation. But we have discussed only for hydrogen electrode, that is your primary reference electrode, and today we will discuss for quinohydron electrode, and glass electrode. So please remember that these three applications are very important, and you may get a question in your end semester examination. Okay, I think you people are coming in March.
Only campus.
Yes, university will open in March because this wave is not that much dangerous. Although many people are affected in COVID in the campus, still it is not that much dangerous as the second wave was and first wave was. Like those two waves were very dangerous and taking waves, but this one is little bit mild. Although cold and fever is there, still it is not much harmful. So we hope that university will open in March, and we expect you all will come to KIT. And as you know that I'm in charge of the CRF, and I expect that all my students will come to Central Research Facility to innovate new things, and they all will be the tech scientists to remove the some of the issues.
Ma'am, those who have not taken the vaccine, ma'am.
वैक्सीन आप लोग ले लेना उस टाइम तक.
Ma'am, I'm underage, ma'am.
अभी तक भी आप अंडर एज हो?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, बिना वैक्सीन के तो आना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी वैक्सीन लिए हैं इसीलिए तो कम मोर्टेलिटी रेट कम है कि नहीं?
बूस्टर भी लेना पड़ रहा है मैम, और एक वैक्सीन.
हाँ नहीं, ले रहे हैं बूस्टर 90 डेज के बाद.
यस मैम.
ईयर 2005 है क्या?
2 4.
तो फिर हो जाएगा वैक्सीनेशन. मंथ से नहीं फर्क पड़ता, ईयर से पड़ता है.
आएगा तो 17 का ना, तो ही हो जाएगा.
15 प्लस वाला भी आ गया है वैक्सीन.
हाँ, अभी 15 प्लस होने से ले लेते हैं.
15 प्लस वाला ले लो.
लेकिन ओपन होगा जितना भी, मतलब मैं तो कभी आज तक आप लोग को बोली नहीं थी ना ओपन के लिए, लेकिन
Yes,
दिस टाइम आई थिंक मार्च में ओपन होने का बहुत स्कोप, बहुत चांसेस है. अगर फोर्थ वेव नहीं आ रहा है तो आने से भी मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि इतना ये स्ट्रांग रहेगा.
यस मैम.
और फिर कितना दिन हम लोग घर में बैठेंगे? ऐसे बैठ के भी नहीं हो रहा है क्या? ऐसे बैठने से भी हो रहा है, आने से भी हो रहा है, तो इसीलिए क्यों बैठना है? तो आके मतलब क्यों कुछ नहीं करना है कि नहीं?
यस मैम. एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
मार्केट ओपन है मैम, बहुत
मैम फ्रेशर होगा ना?
क्या होगा फ्रेशर?
यस मैम.
वो होने से क्या, नहीं होने से क्या है कि नहीं? उससे क्या मतलब, उससे क्या मतलब आपको? उसे मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि कुछ बेनिफिट होगा.
कुछ तो एंटरटेनमेंट होना.
एंजॉयमेंट होगा मैम.
ओहो, एंजल।
मैम एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी कॉलेज की।
अच्छा
Yes,
अच्छा।
also हम घर पे।
मैम 12th का फेयरवेल भी नहीं हुआ।
Yes, ma'am.
ओ मुझे नहीं समझ, मुझे नहीं पता एक्चुअली, वो बात मैं नहीं बोल पाऊंगी। आई एम सीरियस अबाउट योर स्टडीज एंड योर डेवलपमेंट, नॉट फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट। मैं उस टाइप की नहीं हूँ। आप
मैम
लोग
दोनों डोज
डेवलपमेंट
लेना मैंडेटरी है क्या?
क्या है?
दोनों डोज लेना मैंडेटरी है क्या?
आपको सेफ रखना है और क्या?
नहीं मैम, क्योंकि मैं अभी अंडर एज हूँ और 15 to 17 वाला मैंने अभी रिसेंटली लगवाया है, तो अब डबल सेकेंड डोज लगाने में थोड़ा टाइम लग जाएगा।
ठीक है, नहीं आना, जब हो जाएगा तभी आना।
No, ma'am.
ओके मैम।
और देखते हैं क्या यहाँ पे, क्योंकि आपको ना मतलब बाकी लोग से तो मतलब ट्रांसमिशन होने का चांसेस है ना। So already we have discussed what is queen hadron electrode. Okay, so the representation of queen hadron electrode is like this: Q S2Q and PT. So Q plus 2H plus 2 electron will give you S2Q. You know, this is queen hadron and this is the reduction half cell. Okay, and if we will apply Nernst equation, then we can write E H2Q is equal to E0 plus 0.59 divided by how many electrons? 2 electron transfer reaction, log okay. So the standard electrode potential of electrode like queen hadron electrode is 0.6996 plus 9 by 2 into 2 log H plus. So 2 can be cancelled. That is equal to 0.6996 plus 0.059 log H plus. So you know, if I put minus sign, then I can write pH 0.6996 minus 0.059 pH. Okay. So to find the pH of this electrode, let's connect it with a reference electrode, that is our calomel electrode. So here the calomel electrode will be the anode and queen hadron electrode will be the cathode, because this value is more. So Hg2Cl2 KCl saturated, then H plus of the unknown aqueous solution, then Q H2Q PT. So you know, E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode.
Excuse me, ma'am. What's written after KCl?
Saturated KCl. S2QQ minus E0 calomel. This part is the queen hadron electrode and this part is the calomel electrode. 0.6996 minus 0.059 pH minus 0.2422. So pH is equal to 0.6996 minus 0.2422 minus ECL divided by 0.059. Okay, so one thing you remember, this electrode, Queen Hadron electrode, does not give satisfactory result in strong alkaline medium. Queen Hadron, short question you may get. Electrode does not give satisfactory result in strong alkaline solution. Why? Can you show me the reason? Who can say the reason? When pH is equal to more than 8.5.
मैम MB मतलब
Means like you can write note.
Lifetime use करेंगे
Huh?
Lifetime use करेंगे
Content?
Like सत्रह का use करेंगे
So Queen Hadron electrode does not give satisfactory result in strong alkaline solution where pH is greater than 8.5. This is due to the fact that hydroquinone ionizes as an acid and gets oxidized by the atmospheric oxygen. Okay. Hydroquinone ionizes as an acid and gets oxidized by the atmosphere. That's why Queen Hadron electrode does not give satisfactory result in strong alkaline solution where pH is greater than 8.5. Okay, up to this, do you have any doubt?
Ma'am, could you explain the reason once more?
Actually, in Queen Hadron electrode, it is H2Q and Q. This is the equilibrium. H2Q is the, you know the structure, I think. This is OH, I think. Just a minute. OH and Q is your quinone. Okay. So here at pH 8.5, more than 8.5, the hydroquinone, means this one, ionizes as an acid and gets oxidized by the atmospheric oxygen. Okay, so like plus alkaline medium, it is maybe sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. In the presence of OH minus, it can like OH minus take this hydrogen and it will ionize. Okay, so it will not be in the proper form to give the proper result. Is it like?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Okay. So now we'll discuss to determine the pH of an unknown aqueous solution using type 3, using membrane sensitive electrode. Here we will discuss glass electrode. So this here, the glass electrode is made up of a special soda silicate glass with high electrical conductivity. Okay. So it is made of a glass, and the glass has high electrical conductivity. Here it is the schematic diagram. This is the silverware. Okay. Edgy coated with HgCl, and here 1 molar, 0.1 molar HCl is taken. So when it will put inside a solution whose pH is not known, then the pH can also be determined by using this electrode. I don't know why it is not working. Okay. So the HgCl acts as an internal reference electrode here. Here, HgCl acts as an internal reference electrode. In our laboratory, we are also designing different kind of electrode by using the new synthesized material. Here the thin glass membrane, the HgCl electrode can be represented as like this: HgCl, then 0.1 molar HCl, then outside the glass, which is also conductive. The thin glass membrane, here the thin glass membrane, this one, gives two solution of different pH, because here the solution is 0.1 molar HCl. So this pH and the pH outside are different. Means the membrane is, here the membrane is the barrier between the two different solutions whose pH are also different. The membrane acts as an ion exchange resin and establishes equilibrium between the H plus ions of the solution. The potential difference developed across the membrane is proportional to the difference in pH. So by using this logic, we can determine the pH. So Na plus Gl stands for the glass. So this is the membrane is represented like this, plus H plus Cl, here it is the membrane, plus Na plus, because it is a soda silicate glass, so that's why sodium Na plus is written. The potential difference across the glass membrane arises due to the difference in H plus ion concentration. Glass membrane arises due to the difference in H plus ion concentration inside and outside of the glass ball. Inside and outside of the glass bulb. So which kind of cell is represented by this arrangement? Who can answer? Which type of cell? Huh?
Concentration, sir.
Very good. Concentration cell. So EB means the electrode potential in the glass ball can be written as 2.303 RT by NF log C2 by C1. So here C1 is the concentration inside the glass ball, and C2 is the S plus ion concentration outside of the glass ball. Okay, so C1 is equal to 0.1 molar and is a constant So we can write EB is equal to 2.303 RT by NF log C2 minus C. Can I write or not? So that is equal to 2.303 RT by NF log H plus minus C. So that can be written as 2.303 RT by
0.1 m and
is constant. F, because this is a one electron transfer reaction, log H plus minus C. So minus log H plus is pH. So I can write minus 2.303 RT by F pH minus C. So at 298 Kelvin means room temperature, by putting all the values, constant values, we can write EB is equal to minus 0.059 pH minus C. So C is a constant depending on the pH of the solution taken inside
Ma'am?
glass ball. Yes.
Now will there be this negative sign? Because pH is minus of log H plus.
Yes, that's what. I have put a minus sign. Is it clear? Or any doubt? Okay. So to E glass is equal to the ball plus E agitial plus E asymmetric. So what do you mean by asymmetric potential? So even if theoretically if EB is equal to 0, EP is equal to 0 when C1 is equal to C2. But a small potential exists even if C1 is equal to C2, and that is called asymmetric potential. Do you understand? When the concentration inside the glass ball and outside the glass ball were same, then the potential difference should be 0. But in reality, theoretically it should be 0, but experimentally there is a small electrical potential, and that is called asymmetric potential and written as ESSY, that is EMF for the asymmetric potential. Okay, so the total potential can be written as EB for the glass ball, E agitial, which act as the reference electrode, plus E asymmetric potential. So that can be written as minus 0.059 pH minus C plus E agitial plus E asymmetric. So this is equal to E0 G plus 0.059 pH, because this is a E0 G is a constant which is equal to this much. So to find the pH, we can connect a reference electrode. So we can couple with a saturated calomel electrode to find the cell potential. So AgCl 0.1 molar HCl, glass, then H plus ion concentration which we want to calculate, KCl, Hg2Cl2, Hg. So the electrode potential of the cell can be calculated as E0 calomel minus E class. So 0.2422 minus E0G minus 0.059 pH. So pH can be calculated as E cell plus E0G minus 0.2422 divided by 0.059. Any doubt, please discuss with me. Now you solve this question. The EMF of a cell PT is to 1 atmosphere H plus KCl 1 molar Hg2Cl2 Hg is 0.52 volt at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the pH of the unknown solution. Given E0 calomel is equal to 0.28 volt. Please calculate this one. Can you calculate or not? Kids, are you sleeping or what? Completed?
The answer is around 3.
हाँ ठीक है 4.06 it should be 4.06 E calomel minus EH plus H2 so it should be 4.06 so officially our course is completed today okay so all the topics we have covered and if any doubts or anything you think that it is not covered then you can discuss with me okay we have completed all the assigned syllabus and now you just read all the topics according to your syllabus and if you have any doubt please don't
Ma'am,
hesitate
can we have note of this chapter?
सब तो पूरे school are you right now in school or university everything you need the notes I have already shared the ppt you talk to your friend Sankeet
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
if the topics which topics you are not getting then you can talk to me and during the discussion I have always written all the steps and I'm really very sorry to say that at the time of examination you are writing somewhere from the internet okay so please remember one thing if I'll this time in the end semester if I'll check any copy is written from the internet then I'll simply give you 0 then why should I put so much effort to teach you if you'll write from the internet without understanding anything okay so please read from the ppt if in the meantime if you are not getting anything and you are not able to understand from the ppt then you can talk to me I'll share my notes okay not handwritten where from I have taught from the book that book I'll take the photo and send it okay
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes
Ma'am,
you are
answer.
excused Surachita
मैम आंसर 4.6 के आसपास है क्या?
हाँ 4.06 है
ओके मैम
So now you please go through all the topics according to the syllabus and try to get all the information from the PPT and whatever the class notes. And if you are not getting any, you have any doubt or you are not getting any of the topic from the syllabus, you can directly contact me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So all the best. Now you read yourself. If you have any doubt, then discuss with me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I think another 10 days you have. You just this Saturday is a working day or holiday?
Ma'am, we have an exam.
Which exam?
Computer.
Let me check whether you have chemistry exam or not tomorrow. No exam this Saturday. Monday you have lab examination. Coming Monday you have lab examination. Don't forget. Coming Monday you have lab examination and tomorrow you do not have any classes.
Ma'am, tomorrow we have a quiz, computer quiz at the evening.
Which day we will follow?
Ma'am, timetable, I think Friday.
Friday. Then tomorrow you have a chemistry class. Then you read and if you have any doubt, then you please discuss with me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then you can leave. I'll update your attendance.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And if you have any doubt right now also,